children. Hope you all fine at home. Today we are going to discuss about our past, volume 3, that you have to learn in this year. That means the modern history of India. Coming of Europeans to India, what are the deeds done by them in our country, how they have established companies and how they have established their rule in India, all those things you have to learn in this year. So before that, you must know what you are going to learn. That is our past. 3 means modern, ancient, medieval and modern. Ancient means very old, medieval means in between. Then modern history you have to learn in this year. Okay, first you have to know the previous things you have learned in lower grades, how the Britishers or how the Europeans they have come to India. Then what are the deeds, what are the things attracted by the Europeans to have trade with India. Then how did they have started trade with India, and what are the results of British impact of British rule, what are the impact of British rule in India. All those things you might have learned in lower classes, right, no children? So the Indian spices, the Indian cotton, then the wealth of India, all these things attracted the Europeans to have trade with India. Then they came as traders to India. Then they started companies. East India Company was established. Then after that they had trade with Indians. Then they started ruling India. Then after their rule, some impacts were there. Impacts means English education. They have started post and telegraph in India. All those things you have learned in lower classes, right now children? So this is the introduction you have to learn in this year. That is what ma'am is telling now. So we have discussed all these things in our class, just an introduction part only, because next class onwards we are going deep into the topic. Okay children, then how they have preserved all those things, then what are the important deeds done by the Europeans in Indian soil, all those things you have to learn in this year. Okay children? Okay, I hope you have understood, you have learned all these things in lower classes. Then I hope you have understood everything, because you are familiar with all these things, right now children? Okay, bye children, take care.